In this video, I am going to show you a fastest way to make money with ClickBank as a complete newbie. So watch this video till the end so that you can implement everything that you are going to learn in this video right after watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have a ClickBank account, and if you don't have a ClickBank account, then you can simply sign up by visiting to clickbank.com. Once you sign up to ClickBank, then simply log into your ClickBank account and go to this marketplace. Once you come here, you don't need to select anything at here. Just type it, stop it. Just type this much and then click on search. Now you'll see a product by Brad Pillen, that is it stops it. So now the main purpose of searching this product is that you don't need to promote this product by using random keywords. Okay, so if you click on their affiliate page, then you'll see this kind of interface. Just scroll below and then read everything that is in this page, and you'll find that there is no restriction on brand bidding. So that means the name of the product is it stop it. So you can promote this product by targeting this exact keyword, it stop it. Now this product has a high volume of search, meaning this product is already popular and people are searching to buy and see the review of this product. So in that case, you can promote this product and make good amount of money in your ClickBank account. Now to do so, what you need to do is, firstly you need to get your affiliate link, okay, of this it stop it. And to get your affiliate link, you can simply click on promote, and you will just need to click on create hop link, and you will have your affiliate product at here. So this is the step one. So once you have done this much, then you need to create an account on Microsoft Ad. So Microsoft Ad is like Google Ads, okay. So in Google Ads, what happens, you promote product and services on google.com, the search engine google.com. But if you promote ads on inside Microsoft Ad, then you will be promoting it on bing.com, which is also a search engine, and it is used by people all over the world, but high volume traffic is from United States. So that and it is also a little bit affiliate friendly, and you can even do direct linking. You don't need to create any kind of landing page or website in order to promote your product and services in Microsoft Ad. So creating your account on Microsoft Ad is simple. Just visit to Microsoft Ad. Just type on Google Microsoft Ad and you will be able to visit to this site. Just click on sign up and you can easily create your account on Microsoft Ad. Once you create your account on Microsoft Ad, then simply log into your Microsoft Ad account and click on these tools and click on this keyword planner, okay, and then type it stop it at here so that you can see the search volume of these keywords. So if you scroll below and see on keyword suggestion, you can see it stop it schedule 10 search volume. Similarly, you can see other search term that is related to it stop it, and you can use these keywords to promote this product. So as you can see here, it stop it diet plan, you can promote this product from ClickBank by targeting this keyword, and most likely people are going to purchase your product because they are already searching for this search term it stop it, okay. So that's why you can target these kind of keywords and promote the product it stop it from ClickBank. Now before starting to promote this product by yourself, what you need to do is see how other people are promoting this product it stop it in Microsoft Ad. And for that, what you can do is just go to these tools and click on ad preview and diagnostics, and then just search it stop it at here and scroll below, and here you can see people are promoting by using this kind of image. Similarly, if you keep on scrolling below, then you can see here sorry, here is the ad, there is not it to perform official site. So this is also the ad of it stop it, okay. Similarly, you can see if there are other ads. So there is also a promotion for it stop it, this is also ad, okay. So now you can see this text, okay, so that you can have an idea on what type of ad you need to run inside Microsoft Ad or in bing.com. Now you need to be able to run ads on Microsoft Ad in the similar way. So now to do that, what I have done for you is I've created a special free course which you can watch on YouTube. Okay, actually it was a paid course, but you can watch it for free, and it is like 1 hour 43 minutes long, and I have shown you in a step-by-step process on how you can promote even other ClickBank products without doing brand bidding, okay, by using normal keyword. I have taught you that thing, and I have shown you in a step-by-step process how you can start to create your campaign, create ad groups. I have shown you literally everything inside this video, and I'll put the link of this video in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch this full tutorial so that you can also be able to run these kind of ads in Microsoft Ad. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.